What if I told you that you can create an AI avatar that looks exactly like you using just your pictures? You want to start a YouTube channel, but you don't want to always be on camera? Or maybe you want an AI version of yourself that wears the same outfit, looks confident, and talks just like you every day. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to bring your digital self to life step by step.
Alright, so let's get started. First things first, head over to ChatGPT. You can open it on the app or through the web version. Once you're in, click on the little plus sign and upload any picture of yourself or any image you want to turn into an AI avatar. That image will be what ChatGPT uses to create your 3D digital twin. After uploading, you'll need to tell ChatGPT exactly what you want. Here's a short and simple version of what to type. Create a 3D Pixar-style AI avatar of me using this image. It should look like my realistic digital twin, same skin tone, hairstyle, and facial features. Make it elegant, confident, and professional, with smooth lighting and a slightly blurred background for focus. Generate it in 16:9 aspect ratio for YouTube or AI videos. After you've typed in the prompt, just wait a few seconds for it to process and generate your image. And there you go, your 3D AI avatar should appear in a few moments. You can see how real and beautiful it looks. Same background, same outfit, same overall vibe. Once you're happy with your result, click the download button and save your image. That's your AI avatar, ready to use for your YouTube videos, intros, or any AI content you want to create. Now that our image is ready, the next step is to animate it, and for that, we'll be using an amazing AI tool called Digen AI. You can access it through the link I've dropped in the description box, or you can simply open your Chrome browser and type in Digen AI. Once you're in, click on the website and make sure to sign in. As a new user, you'll get 300 free credits when you sign up for the first time, which is perfect for creating your first few animations. And the best part? Every day, they give you 120 free credits, enough to animate your talking AI twin without paying a dime. Once you've signed in, you'll see your dashboard. At the top, you'll notice a Create button. Go ahead and tap on that. This will take you to your main workspace. Now, click on the image icon right here and choose where you want to upload your photo from. I'm going to select Photo Library and upload the 3D image we created earlier using ChatGPT. Once your image has been uploaded, you'll see an option to select the aspect ratio. You can choose from several options like 9:16, 16:9, or 4:3. For this video, I'll be going with 4:3, and here's why. When I selected 16:9, which is the YouTube landscape format, it cropped out parts of my image that I didn't want to lose. But 4:3 fits my picture perfectly. It keeps everything in frame without cutting off any details. And since I'm using the free version of Digen AI, it adds a watermark. So later, when I crop out the watermark, my video won't lose any important parts of the image. That's why I recommend sticking with 4:3 if you're using the free plan. Once you've selected the 4:3 ratio, click on Crop, and you'll see that your image now fits perfectly with every part of your body intact. Next, click on the prompt section. This is where we'll tell the AI how we want our avatar to move, basically, what kind of gestures or expressions we want it to have. Now, if you have no idea what to type here, don't worry. You can do one of two things. Method 1. Go back to ChatGPT under the same chat where you created your avatar and type something like this. I want you to create a demonstration or gesture prompt to make my avatar talk and gesture realistically. ChatGPT will generate a ready-made animation prompt for you. Just copy and paste that prompt right here into the box. After that, choose the duration of your video. For free users, you can select up to 5 seconds, but if you're on the Pro version, you can go up to 10 seconds or more. Next, set your video resolution. I'll be going with 1080p for the best quality, but you can choose higher or lower depending on your needs. Once you've made your selections, click the checkmark icon to confirm. Finally, hit Generate Video and wait a few moments. Once it's done, you'll see your avatar come to life animated perfectly according to your prompt. And as you can see, there's a small watermark at the bottom of the video. Don't worry about that. I'll show you how to crop it out neatly later in this tutorial. Now, let's say you want to make your avatar video a bit longer, maybe around 10 seconds. Here's what to do. I'm going to upload my image again using the same process we used earlier. Once it's uploaded, I'll select the 4:3 ratio again. Next, I'll go back to the prompt section. But this time, instead of typing in a prompt or asking ChatGPT to create one for me, we'll be using a built-in option called Prompt Enhance. Go ahead and tap on Prompt Enhance, and you'll see that it automatically generates a prompt for you. Take a few seconds to preview what it has created. If you like how it sounds and the gestures it describes, go ahead and click on Generate Video. Wait a few moments for it to process, and once it's done, your new animation will appear. If you're satisfied with the outcome, simply tap the download arrow icon and save your video straight to your gallery. Later on, we'll merge this new clip with the first one to create a longer, smoother animated video. Now, to merge all our clips together and also remove that watermark, we'll be using CapCut. Go ahead and open your CapCut app, then tap on New Project. Next, import the 2 clips we generated earlier, or if you created more, import all of them at once. Once all your clips are in the timeline, tap on Aspect Ratio, scroll through until you find 16:9, which is the standard YouTube ratio, and select it. Now, use your fingers to pinch and zoom in on your video until it fits perfectly into the frame. You'll notice that as soon as you adjust the image this way, the watermark that appeared earlier automatically disappears. That's the trick. And now you have a clean, longer animated clip perfect for your AI video or YouTube intro. Now, if you notice, CapCut automatically adds a short clip or end tag at the end of every new project. Simply tap on that short clip and delete it. You might also see a small CapCut logo watermark at the top of your video. To remove it, tap on the CapCut watermark icon, then select Hidden, and the watermark disappears instantly. Next, go through your video. If there's any part you don't want, tap on it, split it, and cut out the unwanted section. You can even reduce the speed of your clip if it feels too fast. Just make any adjustments you need right here inside CapCut. Once everything looks perfect, tap on Export to save your video directly to your gallery. The next step is to make our animated avatar actually talk, and for that, we'll need an audio file or voiceover. You can either record your own voice or generate an AI voice. For this tutorial, we'll be creating a realistic AI voice using Google AI Studio. To get started, open your Chrome browser and search for Google AI Studio. Tap on the one with the official Google logo, then sign in to your account. Once you're in, scroll down a bit under the What's New section until you find Generate Native Speech, then tap on it. On the top left menu, the 3 horizontal lines, you'll see options for single speaker and multi-speaker. Select single speaker. Next, under the Voices tab, you'll see different voice options: male, female, and even accents. Listen through them and pick whichever one sounds best for your video. You'll find a text box. This is where you type or paste the exact words you want your AI avatar to say. Above that, there's a field called Style Inspiration here, you can describe how you want your voice to sound. For example, calm and confident, friendly and excited, or slow and professional. Once everything is ready, click Run, Control+Enter, and wait a few seconds. And that's it, your audio will be generated. Go ahead and preview it. If you like how it sounds, tap on the 3 dots next to the file and select Download to save it to your device. Now that both our image and audio are ready, this next step is extremely important, so don't skip it. The AI tool we'll be using to make our avatar lip sync to the audio usually adds a watermark, especially on the free version. So, we need to prepare our video in a way that makes it easy to remove that watermark later. Here's what to do. Go to your Play Store and download an app called InShot. Once it's installed, open InShot and import the video we edited earlier in CapCut. Now, select Canvas and set the aspect ratio to 1:1. You'll notice black bars appear at the top and bottom of your video. That's exactly what we want. These black bars are very important because when we generate the final AI animated video, the watermark will be placed on the black area instead of on our actual image. That makes it super easy to crop out later without affecting our avatar. Next, remove the InShot watermark at the bottom right by tapping the little X icon, allowing a short ad to play. Once the watermark disappears, go ahead and export the video to your gallery. Perfect! Now our clip is ready for the lip sync animation. To animate and make your avatar actually talk, we'll be using another AI tool called Dreamface AI. You can access it through your Play Store or on the web using your Chrome browser. Once you open Dreamface, tap on Avatar, then click the plus sign to import the clip we just created, the one with the black bars on top and bottom. After uploading, you'll see an option that says, "What do you want your avatar to say?" Click on Import Audio and select the voice file we generated earlier in Google AI Studio. Now, note this, if you're using the free version of Dreamface, you can only import up to 30 seconds of audio at a time. So, if your video is longer, just repeat the process in sections until you've covered the entire clip. But if you're on the Pro version, you can import much longer audio files at once. Once the audio is uploaded, tap on Animate and wait a few minutes for the AI to sync your avatar's lips perfectly with your audio. After a short wait, your talking avatar will be ready, and as you can see, the lip sync looks really natural and matches your voice perfectly. Now click the download arrow icon to save your final animated clip. Remember that watermark we talked about earlier? You'll notice it sits right on the black bars, not on your avatar itself, which means we can easily crop it out in our final editing stage. And that brings us to the last part, the final video editing. So for our final video editing, we'll head over to CapCut and import the clip we just generated. Next, select the aspect ratio and choose 16:9, that's the YouTube landscape format. Now, once you've selected it, pinch and zoom in until everything fits perfectly on the screen. You'll notice something amazing: the watermark has automatically disappeared. That's exactly why I told you earlier to add that black bar so the watermark would sit on it and be easy to crop out. Go ahead and make any adjustments you want. You can tweak the brightness, color grading, or even add filters and text to make your videos stand out. Once you're satisfied with everything, click Export, and boom, your AI video is ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, drop a comment below and check out my playlist for more amazing AI tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.